Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Hello geniuses. So in the last video we looked at how ratios are formed. Do you remember, like a small simple exercise, like if there are let me change the color of the pen because it's kind of not visible. Okay, so if there are 3 sticks and there are 2 balls, the ratio of sticks to balls becomes 3 to 2, or the ratio of balls to sticks becomes 2 to 3, right? So in this video, let's expand this to a bigger bigger life examples. Like for example, let's say we have a class. In the class there are boys and girls. The ratio of boys to girls is 2 to 3, right? The total number of students in the class is, let's say, 20. How many boys and how many girls? Now there are a couple of ways of doing it. I'll try to cover my way of doing it at this point, and then we will look at it. Look at the other way of doing it. Okay, so what I would do is, as per the ratio, there are 2 boys for every 3 girls, right? So I would add it. So how many are they? They are 5. Now what I will do is, I will make a very simple thing. I will do 20 over 5 times, if I have to find boys, I will do 2. If I have to find, let's write here boys. If I have to find girls, I will again do 20 over 5 times 3. So when you will solve it, I'm not going to go into fraction simplification and multiplication. That's a different video. This should come to 8 and this should come to 12, right? So 8 plus 12, 20. So there are 20 students in the class. There are 8 boys and there are 12 girls, right? Let's do another one. Don't give up. Don't get frustrated. We are going to do one more. Let me clear the screen. Okay, so in our new example, let's say there is a bag of marbles with blue, pink and red marbles in it. They are in the ratio of 4:3:3 respectively. There are a total of 30 marbles. Find how many blue, how many pink and how many red marbles are there. Okay, now let me give you the formula. So it's not a formula, it's just my way of doing it. So I will write total over let's say sum of ratios times the factor that we are looking at. What that means is, let's try to find out. Let's say we want to find how many blue marbles are there, right? So now what is the total number of marbles is 30. Sorry, yeah, it's just marbles and balls. Yeah, just interchanging it, right? 30 marbles are there in total. Now sum of the ratios, so 4 plus 3 plus 3 equals 10. So that is the sum of ratio. And the factor that we are talking about is blue marbles. So what is the blue marble ratio in this? It's 4. Now if you use this formula, you will always get the answer correctly, right? If you go on solving it, you will find that you have 12 blue marbles. Okay, let's try the red one out, right? And if you know how to do it, pause it before you see what I'm going to do. For the rest, let's go on. So what is the total? The total stays the same. The total number of marbles is 30. What is the sum of ratios? It also stays the same. 8's 10. What is the factor that we are talking about? We are talking about red marbles. Red marbles factor is 3. When you calculate it, you should get 9 marbles. Right? Easy. And now try to calculate the pink marbles, and the answer should be, pause the video and do it if you know it, 9 as well. Try it. Let's move on to another example. Okay, so in our latest example, let's say there is a pizza which should be made with cheese, ham, and corn, and this should be in the proportion of 4:3:2, right? And the total quantity of the products is 45. So how much cheese should be there, how much ham should be there, how much corn should be there, right? We will use the same formula that we used. I will just write it in a short. Total over ratio total times factor. Yeah, if you use this formula, there are rare chances that you can go wrong. Let's try it out. So what is the total quantity? So let's say we have to find out how much of ham is there. So what is the total quantity of ham in this? The total quantity of all products is 45. The ratio total is 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, so 9. And the factor that we are talking about is ham, which is 3. So let's do a 3 here. Now when you calculate it, there's a chance that you will get the answer as 15. So there are 15 pieces of ham in this. I would like you to pause the video and try it for corn and for cheese. The same. If you don't understand it, you can continue with me. Now let's put the formula again. The total is 45. The ratio total is 9. And the value of corn is 2. Right? When you will solve it, you will get the answer as 10. Now the value of cheese will be, if you understood it, pause the video and do cheeses. Okay? Otherwise, let's continue. 45 over 9 times the ratio of cheese is 4, so you get the answer as 20. Now if you got these answers, yippee. We will move on to the next concept in the next video. If you don't, play it again and check it. And how will you know whether you did it right or wrong? 15 plus 10 plus 20 is 45, our total. Okay? So keep learning and keep questioning. See you in the next one. Bye.
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.